Tonight, as you prepare to sleep, Allah is calling you. He wants to remind you of His mercy, guidance, and the signs He's been sending you. Every single day, Allah speaks to us, and sometimes we miss those messages. But tonight, I want to open your heart to the signs that Allah is showing us in our daily lives. These signs aren't just coincidences. They are His way of telling us that He is watching over us, guiding us, and protecting us. So before you close your eyes tonight, take a moment to listen. Let's dive into these divine signs, and trust me, you don't want to miss a single one. The first sign Allah might send you is a feeling of peace that washes over your heart. Have you ever been going through a storm, emotionally or mentally, and suddenly felt calm? This is no accident. It's a sign that Allah is guiding you and providing you with peace in times of hardship. You might not see it immediately, but when you find tranquility despite the chaos around you, know that Allah's mercy is surrounding you. It's His way of reminding you that no matter how tough life gets, His peace is always within reach. Another sign Allah gives us is sudden clarity or inspiration. You may be struggling with a question in your life or feel uncertain about a decision. Then, out of nowhere, a thought pops into your head, or you come across a piece of advice that answers everything. Allah has a way of guiding us when we least expect it. This isn't just a coincidence. It's Allah's way of showing you the right path.
When that clarity hits, pause for a moment, thank Allah, and recognize that He has just illuminated your way. Have you ever experienced moments where you feel like you were saved from something dangerous, but you can't explain how or why? This could be a sign of Allah's protection. We may never fully understand how often Allah saves us from harm. Sometimes He shields us from physical dangers, and sometimes from emotional and spiritual harm. When you experience this, don't take it lightly. Allah is constantly watching over you, protecting you from harm, even when you're unaware. Ever had the feeling that a particular message keeps popping up in your life? Maybe it's a verse from the Quran, a piece of advice, or a reminder you keep hearing. This is a sign from Allah that He wants you to pay attention. Sometimes Allah sends us signs through repetition. If something keeps coming into your life, whether it's a specific lesson or verse, take it as a sign to reflect on it deeply. Allah doesn't send us reminders by accident. He wants us to act on them. One of the most profound signs from Allah is the people He brings into your life. Sometimes Allah sends specific people into our lives for a reason. Whether it's a new friend, a mentor, or someone who just happens to give you a word of encouragement at the right time, these people are part of Allah's plan for you. They are there to guide you, support you, or sometimes even challenge you to grow. Pay attention to the relationships you encounter. They may be part of the signs Allah is sending you. Sometimes Allah sends us the sign of repentance. If you've ever felt the urge to turn back to Allah after doing something wrong, that is a gift from Allah. Feeling regret and a desire to seek forgiveness is a sign of Allah's mercy. Allah loves those who turn to Him in repentance, and this feeling is a powerful indication that He has not only heard your cries, but is guiding you toward a better path. Another sign that Allah has heard your cry is when you go through tests and trials. While tests can be difficult, remember, Allah's trials are a sign of His love and trust in you. He knows you can handle it and will make you stronger through it. Each test you face is a chance for spiritual growth, and Allah is there every step of the way, guiding and strengthening you through it. Dua is one of the most powerful tools Allah has given us. When you make sincere dua and you feel a deep connection with Allah, it's a sign that He has heard you. Dua is not just a request, it's a conversation with your Creator. Every time you ask Allah, know that He is listening and that He will answer you in the best way, even if it takes time. As we wrap up tonight, remember that Allah is always with you. His signs are all around us, in the small moments and in the big ones. Whether it's peace in your heart, clarity in your mind, or guidance in your life, Allah is always listening and always guiding you. Before you close your eyes tonight, reflect on these signs and trust that Allah has a plan for you. He has heard your cry and He is guiding you every step of the way.
Thank you for watching. If you found these signs helpful, share this video with others and don't forget to subscribe for more spiritual guidance.
May Allah bless you with peace, protection, and His mercy.